Here's a look at an interior stateroom on a Carnival Excel class ship, specifically Carnival Celebration. Now, I love Carnival's Excel class ships, which currently include Celebration, Mardi Gras, and Jubilee, but I do find that their staterooms have been a little bit shrunk down in size. Let me show you. This specific interior stateroom is room 5416. When you enter the stateroom, you'll first notice that they do require a key card for the lights to operate, but any card will work. It doesn't have to be your actual Carnival stateroom card. Now, as you'll see, this room is pretty darn small. It's configured with 2 beds, but if you want to merge that into one, just ask your room steward to do that. I like that there are switches by the bed so you can control the lights without getting out of bed, and there's a small reading light and USB outlets by both beds. There's a little cooler here, it's not a refrigerator, and a nice size TV, which is nicely located. Compared to the small size of the room, I found the storage space to be pretty ample. There's a full-length mirror here, and the drawers are adjustable in the closet. So if you want to hang your clothes and not use these little drawers, you can simply lift them up and get them out of the way. You'll see that your stateroom safe is here, and there are also little wire shelves. I like the vanity area where there are 3 additional drawers, and an issue a lot of cruise staterooms have is a lack of electrical outlets. That's not the case here. There are 3 plus additional USB ports. There's an ottoman that functions as a stool, but there's also extra blankets inside. And the big area of noticeable size difference between other Carnival ships is the bathroom. They're pretty small on Excel class ships and they feel really cramped. I do like that there's a glass door instead of the yucky plastic curtain, and they provide shampoo and body wash, but not conditioner. And there's some additional storage here, but it's not really convenient. Now, with all interior staterooms, it will get really dark. A lot of people like that because it makes for good sleep, but a lot of people find that also very claustrophobic feeling. That, coupled with the really small size of Excel class staterooms, might make you feel a little tied in. So if that's an issue for you, you may want to consider booking an ocean view or a balcony stateroom, which will give you substantially more space on these ships. But if you don't spend a lot of time in your room, it might be worth it just to go with this room for the savings.